Hello! In this video we will go over the operating modes of the DUOX PLUS video guard unit. There are 3 modes: day, night and mixed. To switch modes, we go to the following menu and enter the Concierge password, which by default is 1111. In day mode, all calls from the panels are intercepted by the guard unit, and all dwellings and panels can call it directly. In night mode, the guard unit does not recognize any incoming calls, although it can still make outgoing ones. In mixed mode, dwellings and panels can call the guard unit directly. By default, the call monitoring option is disabled and calls from the panel to the dwelling will not go to the guard unit. When the call monitoring is activated, if a call rings in the dwelling and is not answered within 15 seconds, it will be forwarded to the guard unit. Finally, when disconnecting the guard unit or making any configuration changes, it must be set to night mode. That's all, thanks for watching and see you next time!